Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing fantasy art in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First click on File, New, take a canvas size, just click on Create. So this is your canvas, and then I'm going to place some images. So this one is our first image, so I'm going to select this one by using selection. So just click on Select and Subject Select. So the selection is completed. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'm going to remove this birds. Okay, select, deselect, Ctrl minus, and our second work, we are going to place some images. So this one is our first image, so I'm going to select this one by using pen tool. So just click on pen tool and start selection. After selection, just right click, make selection and make feather addition 0, then press OK. And simply place this image into your new document. Just drag and drop, Ctrl minus, adjust the image, go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. I think this side is perfect for my artwork, so I just convert this one into another side. So just click on flip horizontal and you can get the perfect result. Then again click on edit, transform, warp. Okay, Control minus. This is our elephant image and we are going to place this one. So I'm just place this one behind this. Okay, cover this background, use this image for background. So just drag and drop, place behind this, Control minus. Okay, and our next, we just make this one duplicate, hide the another layer. Just click on this layer, background layer, go to filter, blower, and select gaseous blower. Okay, I think this one is perfect for my work. And again click on this elephant image, go to adjustment layer, select curve and clipping mask, add clipping mask and make this one a little bit darker, and go to red, remove this red areas and convert into a little bit blue. Okay, I think this one is good. Next, I'm going to add some extra images for my artwork, so I just choose this one. So I just simply select laser tool and start selection. Make duplicate this one more time and simply place in this area. And I'm going to add more images for this. So I just add this plant image in my wood. So I just place this one. I think this one is perfect place for my work. So I just place this one and adjust the color of this image. So I just use hue saturation, just click on clipping mask and convert this color. This one is also placed, and I'm going to change the color of this one also, and just use again hue saturation, clipping mask, just click this plant layer take a mask layer, go to brush and make opacity 100% and simply remove these lines so it's look original. So almost all things are completed, and I'm going to select this tree image. Just place this one in my document, control minus, adjust this tree image and follow the steps. Just duplicate this one more time. So my friend, your raw work is completed, and I think this one is not look so cool, so I just make this one little bit brighter. So I make this one little bit brighter, and our next work we are going to place our supermodel. So this is our Jungle Book model. This one is generated by AI. So just click on select and subject. So this one is perfectly selected, and I'm going to reselect some size, like this area and this area also. Control minus and place this one in your new document. Go to flip horizontal and select flip horizontal. So this one is perfectly flat, and I'm going to adjust this color, this tree image. So I just select hue saturation and make this one a little bit darker. Okay, and I'm going to add some shadow. So just take a blank layer, go to brush, opacity make 19% is perfect, control minus, take a mask layer and black color and remove these lines, make opacity 100% and simply adjust the size of your brush by using bracket key and remove this black shade. Place this one behind this. So my friend, the shadow effect is completely visible. Select this layer again, make opacity this time 18%, black, and I'm going to remove this area. Select this elephant image and go to color adjustment, select color balance, clipping mask is already selected, make this one a little bit green and blue. Wait a minute, I'm going to make this one a little bit blue because it's look pretty cool. Okay, so this one is done, and I'm going to select all these things. I just converted all this thing into blue color, so I just select this one and go to color balance and increasing the cyan color, and also I'm doing with this one also. So I just select color balance and adjust this one into blue, little bit blue, not so dark blue, it's light blue. Also convert this one also. So just go to adjustment layer, color balance, do the same thing with this one, color balance, convert this one into light blue, and now it's time to change the background color. So just select again color balance and light blue, and this time I'm going to make my background little bit darker, so I just use curves. And I'm going to adjust this one also, so I just convert this one into little bit black. I think this one is perfect. Okay, all things are done, and convert this one also light blue color. Okay, I think it's cool. Okay, so the work is almost done, and our next work, we are going to take a blank layer, select a brush and make opacity 10% and apply on that side, and also that side. Take a mask and do this area also. So my friend, the work is 50% completed, and I'm going to add some more effect. So I just provide some extra lights on this elephant image. So I just convert this one, or I'm going to make this one. Okay, so this one is perfect. And take a blank layer, right click and select linear dodged solid color, and take this light green or yellowish green. I think this one is good. So I just click so I just take this color and right click and go to blending option and select, hold alt key. Okay, this one is perfect, but the color of this one and this one is not matched, so I just again select this color. So now this one is perfectly matched, and now we are going to apply the color. So just click on mask layer, press Ctrl I to invert this one, and simply select a brush, make opacity 100%, make foreground color white, and I'm going to apply this. Select this elephant image and go to filter, camera raw, and just decrease the highlighted area and white area. Okay, then press OK. No, this one is not look so good, and I'm going to change the color of this one. Okay, this one is perfectly matched color. Okay, add more images like this. So just add some more images and follow these steps. So my friend, add some extra lights behind the elephant. So I just select white. So this one is done, and select again this layer and take a new layer. Just select blending mode and select linear dodge and select color. In that color I just choose this green color, right click, blending option, hold alt key, just hold alt key and Control I to invert this one, and select brush, decrease the size of your brush and simply make opacity 100%, Control plus, and apply. So my friend, the work is almost completed and we are going to adjust the color of our whole work. So I just merge this complete layer into a one layer. So just press Shift Control Alt plus E, right click and convert to a smart object. Go to filter, camera raw, and start adjustment. So increase the highlighted area, shadow area make a little bit darker, white areas increase this one, black area increase the saturation a little bit because color is every time good. So just highlighted area, increase highlighted area, lighter area, decrease this dark areas and remove this shadow area. Okay, increase the sharpness and select split tone, just make highlighted area little bit orange and yellow and make darker area blue. Effects, just decrease this one. Okay, I think everything is perfect and just press OK. So my friend, I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.